Hello and welcome back. Today we are looking at chapter 3, talking about family. Let's have a look at the vocabulary words. We have mother. My mother is very kind. Here with the TH sound, we have a th sound. So mother, mother. My mother is kind. Father, father. My father works at a school. Brother, brother. I have one brother. Sister, I have one sister. Son, my son is 5 years old. Daughter, my daughter goes to school. Listen how I pronounce daughter, daughter. Husband, my husband likes football. Wife, my wife cooks very well. Family, my family is big. My family is big. Children, I love my children. Very good. Now let's try the fill in the blank questions. You can pause the video and try to fill in the blanks. Let's have a look at the answers. My mother is kind. My father works at a school. I have one brother. I have one sister. My son is 5 years old. My daughter goes to school. My husband likes football. My wife cooks very well. My family is big. I love my children. Very good. Well done. So here we can notice a word works. Improve your English and join my group English speaking class. Email me at info@britishharry.com for more information. The class costs a small fee. Again, you can email me for more information at info@britishharry.com here. So we use work, the verb work, as present simple here. So her father works at a school. So he works there a lot. That's his job. Now, it's nice to remember when we have he, she, it, we add an S. So he works. She works. It works. If we have I, you, we, they, we don't add the S. So I work, you work, we work, they work. So it's nice to remember he, she, it. We add the S to the verb. Very good. Now let's listen to some conversations. Conversation 1, talking about family. Do you have a big family? Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. That's nice. Conversation 2, do you have children? Yes, I have one son. How old is he? He is 5. Conversation 3. Is that your husband? Yes, it is. How long have you been married? For 5 years. So here we can see the word for. Another common word to use is since. If we say since, we should say the date. I could say since 1990. But when we use for, we are concentrating on the length of time. But since is from the moment that it started until now. So here we've used for, so we can say 5 years. But since, I should give a year or a number. Okay, very good. Well done. You did a great job today, and I will see you in the next chapter.